In this video, I'm going to be repairing my Fellows paper shredder. You can activate it to run in reverse, but when you switch it to run forward or do shredding, it does nothing. There's a clump of paper jammed up under the switch, and until that paper is removed, it's just not going to work right. So this will probably work on other paper shredders as well. I'm just showing you how I repaired it on mine. Now, you do need a long, thin, cross-tip Phillips screwdriver. 5 or 6 inches long will get all of the screws out. If you got any questions, check the clip at the end of the video. I have all my contact information there. Thanks for watching. I have a Fellows paper shredder. I don't know what model number it is, but I can't get this thing to shred anything. So I take a piece of paper and I try to push it into the shredder, and the shredder doesn't do anything. It doesn't even like turn on like it's trying to shred, but it does the reverse action. You heard that going on. So there's something jammed in here that's stopping it from working right. I'm going to unplug it, try to take it apart and see what's jammed in it. So I pull the plug on it, make sure nothing's going on. I pick it up, flip it over, and get a screwdriver. At least 4 inches long to stick down in there and reach the Phillips screw. Looks like Phillips screws are way down in there. So I'm going to take them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. See if I could get this thing apart where I can free up any obstruction in it. Mainly the intake switch. Alright, so I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think there was a screw in there. I couldn't find one. Yeah, there's one down there, but it's deeper than the screwdriver I have. I have a deeper screwdriver, but it doesn't reach down there. So I'm not sure if that's a screw that needs to come out or not. Let me try to separate this and see if I could get it apart. Or if I'm going to have to find a super long screwdriver to get down there. A thin one. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to do that. Get a real thin one to get down there. Yeah, the one on the left is like 4 inches. The one on the right, 6 inches. It did get that last screw. And now I could lift the top of this thing off of here. But it has wires attached. So be careful. I could see the stuff that's jammed up here, and I think this is the switch that's not being pushed down. When the switch is not being pushed down, this doesn't activate. So I'm going to dig this clump of paper out of here, and that should fix it. So I put it back together. I plugged it back in. Reverse still works. Let's see if we can get it to go. Ah, yes, it's going forward. It did its warm up. Here you go, folks. Back to shredding. Woohoo! It's fixed. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.